nze Martha Busa wetukwatagana kijja kubeera kyamaanyi. So 12th November tuza fena tukitegeera kati tugenda kubeera muliro fire. Muliro lumira muliro.
Tuli mu kkubo tukolere wali like
We are always in a radio. We don't really have like a free cold. No.
Ronnie, take a photo.
What's this side?
Speed sigira bantu. Kula ku motoka.
I think we go from here to that Gunda live. Now let's talk about the coming of Eddy Kenzo'S festival. Are we going to have you on the festival, or we have another project you're going to do in Uganda?
I actually came to the festival to support my brother Eddy Kenzo, and also just to do a few other projects as well. So I'm definitely going to perform and it's going to be good.
Since the last time you were here, which new artists are you interested in at the moment to work with, apart from Eddy Kenzo'S festival?
Sheebah? Yeah.
Have you contacted her before? Are you in talks?
Yes, we are.
So we're expecting a collabo or a project with Sheebah. You and Sheebah.
Soon, yeah.
Well, why Sheebah of all artists?
I think I love her energy and I love her voice as well.
Her voice as well. We have an artist here, Martha Busa. Immediately seeing you, she asked for a collab.
Yes,
does she have a chance?
Definitely. I mean, I'm willing to work with any female, any male that is that loves music. I mean, for me, it's a passion. So anyone that is passionate about music and they have the same drive and the same energy, I'm willing to go for it. So yes, why not?
We have few festivals in Africa organized by artists. How do you feel like Eddy Kenzo coming out, especially in Uganda, organizing a festival where you come? You've been in Uganda before for a concert, but not a festival. How do you feel a fellow artist in another country inviting you for the first ever festival?
It's exciting, it's very motivating, it's inspirational, and I think I encourage other artists to do the same thing. Yeah.
How is it that side?
It's exciting, it's really good.
How is it that side of your country?
In terms of?
Like organizing such bigger events or festivals?
Yeah, well, our industry is still growing, but we're getting there. We're slowly getting there, making baby steps, but at the end of the day, we're making progress. Yeah.
Take us through your relationship with Eddy Kenzo. How did you get connected?
Oh, I met him years back. When I came to Uganda, and then I met him again. I mean, we've been in touch ever since. I met him the first time I came to Uganda, and we've been in touch since.
Okay, as you are going to perform with him today, like in Uganda, and just take us to why don't you have any collaboration with Eddy Kenzo? What happened to the extent of having the extent of coming in Uganda and having?
I think there's a time for everything. You don't rush music. With music, it's a passion, and you follow the passion. If you feel like you're in the mood and this is the artist you want to work with at that time, you go with the flow. I mean, at least for me, that's how I work. I don't just record, even with my music, I don't just record every other time. I have to be in the mood, I have to meditate, I have to be ready for it. Yeah, so I guess it's just the time.
Well, you had a collab with Principal, that's Eddy Kenzo, that's Bobby Wine. Did you get what you expected from the collabo? Have you guys been again for other projects? And how do you feel him like at this moment is parting away from the music industry, joining the partially going for politics?
I'm excited for him. I feel like this is what we need to do as artists as well, because I think we relate better with the public. We know what people go through, so it's easier for an artist to to get into politics and get actively involved, because you have to be the change that you want to see. So you don't just sing about change, but at least seeing someone like him make an actual step towards change, it's a good move. And yeah, the collaboration was amazing. The song is one of my favorites, and I feel like he brought the fire, and he just brought a whole different energy on it, and I still rap along to that verse. So yeah.
And we see you all calling him out to come perform it with you at the festival.
I won't say anything for now. Might.
Okay. Also call out people to come
So guys, see you on the 12th of November, which is
Yeah.
a Saturday, the Eddy Kenzo'S Festival. I'm excited to be here. I've brought that Zambian heat and let's have fun together.
Okay.
Okay, take us to the side of Zambia. How is the music trending in Zambia? And take us back to this copyright compared to Uganda. So far, Ugandan artists are still hustling with copyright. How is Zambia?
It's the same thing. I think it's something that we're fighting as Africans, but I think we're making progress. Yeah, but it's the same everywhere in Africa, I think.
Mother Mukisa.
nnyo kubanga fena sijja gamba naye Mampi tukuze tumulaba. When you listen to those songs, yeah, mukama wange oluyimba twakula tubulaba nga yeah, they're actually very, very happy. We are very happy to see you, Mrs. Mampi, in Uganda. I remember seeing you on stage back then in the day. Hopefully that fire is still the same that you have on stage, because people are really excited to see that energy. Like you said, we have people here in Uganda, Martha, Sheebah, Karunji, Karo Kasita, that have the energy. So it's almost the same because we're Africans, and when you get on stage, everyone's like, oh yes, you have an African queen on stage. So that's why I think Eddy Kenzo had to look out for you, because you are a super lady. Yeah, so we are very happy to see you.
A little cappella of the way back song of why.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Why chikala baso gawalinje belengana rishi batepo chikala befi.
Since then, what have you been missing in Uganda?
What do you mean
Since, like missing in other country, like
everything, the people, everything, the people.
Have you tested the Rolex before?
What's the Rolex?
Oh.
You have to
Chapati with
test
eggs.
Oh,
Chapati with
really?
eggs.
Yes.
Okay.
Send
The
it.
chili.
Chili?
They can do anything for you. Chicken, Rolex,
Okay.
what
Let's
Rolex
do it right now. From here, let's go straight there.
Let's go straight there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get a roll.